Hi, everyone. I'm Richard Henderson, head of global threat intelligence at Lastline. Welcome to Lastline Speaks, a quick video where Lastline shares with you key insights into all sorts of topics: threat intelligence, interesting data points, trends, current events, things like that. Thanks for taking a moment out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. This week, we're going to talk about archive files. We're all familiar with archive files in some form or fashion. Pretty much everyone knows what a zip file is and why it's used. But did you know there are many other types of archive and compression file formats used out there? From RAR to TAR to CAB to ACE to ISO to 7-zip to BZ2 to package, you name it. I mean, you get the idea. There are dozens of file formats when it comes to archiving and compressing files. But did you know that when it comes to archive files being sent via email, virtually every single archive file sent that wasn't a zip file contained something malicious? Well over 99% of all the archive files Lastline saw in March contained something suspicious or something malicious. So what's that mean for you? Well, a couple things. First, attackers like to use less popular file formats in the hopes they catch a security tool that can't analyze it in the hopes that it'll get through unscanned. That works with a lot of legacy security products. You'd be surprised. A recent AdWind campaign used the Excel BIF format, and BIF stands for Binary Interchange File Format, something Excel used back in the 90s and killed off in Excel in the mid-2000s. It's used to send malicious artifacts. They know full well that many modern antivirus products don't scan BIF files. Secondly, and more tactically, if you're especially risk-averse, you probably should just set up your mail appliance to reject any emails that come in that contain an archive attachment that's not a zip file. If someone's sending you an archive file out of the blue, or they're sending you something unannounced and it's not a zip file, you should really treat that with really high suspicion. If you've got employees that need to send or receive files like this, so for example, if you have a bunch of Linux users who need to send BZ2 or things like that, you have one of two choices. You can ask them to use a different method to send those files. There's lots of file transfer products out there, Dropbox, things like that. Or make sure you have a security product that can scan those formats. There's lots of them out there, Lastline Defender, for example. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening. And if you want to chat about this or other things relating to cybersecurity, feel free to tweet me on the screen right there or send me an email. Thanks for your time. Hope you have a great day.